What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. So in this video I'm going to do the review and unboxing of this 2-in-1 USB cable charging for your Apple device. So you can charge your Apple phone, with the USB type C in the package right here. I'm going to unbox it to you guys see what's inside. So it's the second time of purchasing this item because I love that this can charge really fast. So in the box we have the USB cable. Also we have one more cable right here. And we have two power brick. So this one is 20 watt power charger, as you can see right there. We have 20 watt on this. This one is also 20 watt. And we have USB type C right here, which gonna work well with this cable. And this cable is really long. As you can see, we have a good amount of length right here. I think this is about 1 meter long, probably 1.5 meter. So yes guys, so we have all the features right here: cell protection, short circuit protection, fast charging, and this charger. I've been using this, as I've said, for the longest while. I have to purchase this again because it's really fast with the 20 watt power brick right here, and yeah, it's really great. So hope you guys find this video very helpful.